Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the file itself. Make sure it isn't 0 bytes and the extension matches the image format. Next, right-click the picture and choose Open with, select Windows Photo Viewer. Set it as default if you intend to. Also note your Windows build and whether you are on 32-bit versus 64-bit, because later registry fixes must match your system. Once done, move to Permissions and System Handlers to ensure the app can actually read that file. Now repair the file associations and handlers so Windows routes images correctly. Open Settings, go to Apps, Default Apps, then choose Defaults by file type and assign JPG, PNG, GIF to Windows Photo Viewer. If that fails, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, then sfc/scano to repair system components that affect the viewer. Make sure Photo Viewer is enabled in the registry or re-enable related Windows features. This fixes broken handlers and finish by restarting Explorer or simply rebooting so associations and registry edits take effect. That often resolves lingering locks. Then test multiple images and try a different viewer to confirm whether the issue is Photo Viewer specific or systemic. If problems persist, update your graphics drivers and check codec packs, or create a new user profile to rule out corrupt settings. If nothing works, one key troubleshooting tip. Run the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.